Do you want to enable the call after severe crash feature on your Apple Watch? By enabling this feature, your watch can automatically call emergency services if it detects a serious car crash. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the call after severe crash feature on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Now scroll down a little bit, tap SOS, then scroll down, tap Call After Serious Crash. Now simply toggle it on. After enabling this feature on your Apple Watch, if you're in a car crash, Apple Watch can automatically call emergency services. And this is how you can enable the call after severe car crash feature on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Goodbye for today.